In today's tutorial, I'll be giving you an introduction to blocks. Just like building blocks, with GraceBlocks you can build just about anything, whether you want to track your favorite travel destinations, ice cream flavors, or text messages with candidates, the original GraceBlocks use case. It all starts with a block. Build your block first and then put your system inside the block. What you put inside your blocks is up to you as a builder. For now, we'll start with how to add a new block, how to style a block by giving it a name, icon, and color, and how to provide information that will help your end users adopt what you put in your block. Finally, we'll review block modification options. Let's start with adding a block. In any zone where you're either a zone owner or zone builder, you will see the option Add Block. Right now, I'm inside the Unity Now zone. To add a block to this zone, I simply click the option Add Block. It's that simple. Once I clicked Add Block, I entered the block settings modal, and that means we're ready to review style. To set the style of my block, I will give it a name, color, and icon. This lets you pick options to best represent the purpose of the block. You can use the search bar below the icon field to identify relevant symbols or scroll through to find one you like. That's style. Let's talk about inform. What information will I provide to help users adopt this block? Maybe you're the only user inside your block. That's great, and perhaps this will be overkill for you. But if you do have users, this information area lets you help users understand what to do inside the block. What you enter here will appear on the home page of the block. We'll take a look in a few seconds. Set this information as you'd like, with text formatting options, embedded content to reference materials, emojis, and images. If you provide one, a persistent statement will appear in the color bar header of every page of the block. This may be useful for legal statements or technical support contact information. Once you finish adding this information, click Finish. Let's see how this all looks. I can see my block all styled now. When I click the block, I enter its world. We'll talk about adding tabs, the next key step in building, in a future tutorial. But for now, you can see how the color and icon apply for the user while in the block, as well as the home page with your information and persistent statement showing up here in the header. While the home page will feel empty if you don't provide information for this page, you can leave the persistent information field blank, and this shaded area will simply be gone. We'll exit the block now, and that completes Inform. Finally, we're ready to talk about modifying or even deleting a block. To show this, I'll go to a zone where more blocks are built. To make changes to any specific block, hover to see the settings and other icons from the GraceBlocks homepage. You can use the arrow icons to change the order in which your blocks are displayed. Clicking the gear icon will open the settings modal, where you can make changes to the block's properties. To delete the block, we'll use the trash can icon. You will need to confirm this delete action before the system will allow you to proceed. Deleted blocks cannot be recovered. That's it, our introduction covering how to add, style, inform, and modify blocks inside of GraceBlocks.